magic stomach drink up all the water in the well. He flew right back to the king's palace. Cock-a-doodle-doo, cock-a-doodle-doo, give me back my diamond button. The king was angry. Throw that Lil Rooster into the fire. Get rid of him. Lil Rooster called out, come my full stomach. Come my full stomach. Spit out all the water from the well and put out the fire. Lil Rooster flew right back to the king's house. Cock-a-doodle-doo, cock-a-doodle-doo, give me back my diamond button. The king was angry. Throw that Lil Rooster into the beehive. Get rid of him. But Lil Rooster, let the bee sting him. They threw Lil Rooster into the beehive. Lil Rooster called out, come my empty stomach. Come my empty stomach. Eat up all the bees. Lil Rooster flew right back to the king's palace. Cock-a-doodle-doo, cock-a-doodle-doo.
That's right. Give me that.
Give me back my diamond button. That's my way doing that.
The king was.
The king was infuriated. What should I do with this Lil Rooster? Hang him from a tree, said the first servant. Toss him out the window, said the second servant. But the third servant said, why don't we sit on him and squash him? Nice job! Drop him into my baggy pants. I like that. Oh!
That's okay. I like that idea.
I like that idea. No. Drop him into my baggy pants. I'm going to sit on him. But Lil Rooster called out, come my full stomach, come my full stomach. Spit out all the bees and let them sting that king. Yeah, those bees did sting. Let that rooster have his old diamond button. I never want to see him again. They took Lil Rooster to the king's treasure chamber. Take your diamond button and go along home. They left Lil Rooster all alone. So this is the treasure the king has been stealing from my village all these years. Well then, come my empty stomach, come my empty stomach. Eat up all the treasure in the king's treasure chamber. And he went along home. That part of it? Come my full stomach. Come my full
On the
stomach.
treasure, so make it full.
Come my full stomach. Come my full stomach. Spit out all the treasure from the king's treasure chamber. There was enough treasure for the whole village. Lil Rooster and his good mistress lived happily ever after.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, wait, it was funny when you burst.
Is that part of the story? Is that part of the
Perfect
story?
timing.
Yeah.
Nice. All right.
That was